This robot was supposed to avoid obstacles, but instead it taught me what burning electronics smells like. After my first project, ultrasonic radar system, I searched all across YouTube for a beginner project, uh, and I came across this obstacle avoiding robot. And I gathered all the important parts which were required, like the L28N motor driver and the servo. When I started this project, it took me large amount of time to even understand how the motor driver works and the function of the motor driver. So I first uh, built a separate project or the circuit which helped me understand how this whole system works. After learning about each component and the function of it, I started building the obstacle avoiding robot. But when it came to the final part of connecting the wires to each and every part, but I made a mistake of giving the 12 volt supply to the Arduino directly, which burnt the voltage regulator in Arduino. So currently it is not functional, but we can power it via the USB cable. So only power in for the Arduino now is the USB port, and to run this obstacle avoiding robot for the sake of the video, I have powered it via the USB cable and connected it to the power supply, which is my laptop, and I have powered this L28 and motor driver to power both of the motors with an external supply of 12 volt and 1.3 ampere. Theoretically, it can run on its own and avoid obstacles, but due to the constraints like the wire and the voltage regulator burning, it can't run independently without these external supplies. So this is my second project, and I think I learned more. Even if I have successfully created and ran this robot, I would have not learned so much about what and where we should. This project has taught me many things, like the regulating the voltage and making sure to test it in the simulation environment like Tinkercad before actually connecting the parts and burning the equipments which are valuable. So if you like this video, do drop a like and follow this page for further projects and videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.